Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, you know that good oral hygiene is just as important as a good skincare routine. It's all about maintaining that healthy glow inside and out. But let's face it, flossing can be a hassle, and not everyone has time for those long dental routines. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to keep your teeth and gums in check, today's product might just be the solution. Let's take a look at the Gum Soft Picks Advanced Dental Picks. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest reviews, tips, and tricks. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our upcoming content. Now, let's get into the Gum Soft Picks Advanced. These are disposable interdental brushes designed to slide easily between teeth, removing plaque and food for healthier gums, cleaner teeth, and fresher breath. Perfect for those who have braces, bridges, or small interdental spaces, the Gum Soft Picks offer an advanced design with a longer, curved handle and a tapered tip for pinpoint precision. When I first started using these, I was curious about how well they'd fit into my daily routine. They're surprisingly easy to incorporate. The soft bristles feel gentle on my gums, but do a great job cleaning between teeth. Plus, the ergonomic handle gives me control, so it's less messy than trying to use regular toothpicks. What really stood out was how comfortable they are to use. No awkward angles or difficulty reaching those tough spots. The compact case makes them perfect for on the go, whether you're in your car, at work, or traveling. Honestly, I was impressed with how they fit into my hectic day without adding extra stress to my oral hygiene routine. On the plus side, the design is fantastic for precision, and the soft bristles are gentle on gums, which is something I really appreciate, especially when dealing with sensitive areas. The convenience of the portable case is also a game changer. You can pop them into your bag, and you'll never have to worry about forgetting your dental care tools again. However, I did find that they're not as sturdy as traditional floss. While they work well for daily use, they're a bit more delicate. If you have larger interdental spaces, you might need to use them with a little more pressure, which could be uncomfortable. But for most people, especially those with smaller spaces or braces, they're absolutely ideal. Now, when it comes to value for money, I have to say that Gum Soft Picks are priced fairly for the quality and convenience they offer. Each pack includes 90 picks, and for the price, you're getting something that saves you time and energy while keeping your gums and teeth in great shape. If you're someone who values both ease of use and effectiveness, I think it's worth the investment. If you're someone who's trying to save a little though, there are other interdental brushes available that might be a bit cheaper, but none of them offer the same level of comfort and portability that Gum provides. In terms of build quality, these picks are solid, but the packaging is what really impresses. The plastic case is sturdy and compact, which makes it super easy to carry around and keep clean. Whether you're at the gym or on a long road trip, you'll always have them ready to go. If you've ever had to deal with gum sensitivity or just wanted something quick and easy to fit into your routine, Gum Soft Picks might be exactly what you need. They're dentist recommended, and the gentle yet effective design makes them a solid option for daily use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've used the Gum Soft Picks, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear if you found them as useful as I did. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.